Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have something really exciting to show you today. We are going to be actually unboxing a bumper car, and I'm really excited to try this. I just came home from co-op and I was not expecting this when I came home. So I'm going to bring my dad in and let's go ahead and open it.
Alright.
And the cat.
So what is this? Where'd you steal this from? Because I didn't buy this. Where did you steal it from?
I didn't steal it.
Uh-huh.
I just got home. I just got home.
So let's see first. I don't think there's much to it to really put together. It's all in one piece. And it's pretty light. So let's see about the battery, because I'm assuming that's not going to be ready to go. It comes with a little flag. I don't know, maybe the battery's already in there. Like I said, it was light. Like, I thought I was going to need help, and I picked this thing up in one hand. It's very light.
You picked the whole entire box on one hand.
Well, I mean, one side of it, and I could put it in my car, so it wasn't a problem. Here's the flag.
Flag.
There's a
No.
little charging thing, I guess. I'll probably be able to just lift this thing right out of here.
Don't be scared.
Okay, so it's a black one. They had a purple one, but I figured black was cool. Alright, so yeah, I think your flag's gonna go right here. Yeah, see, look at that. Not a whole lot to it.
There's a seatbelt too.
Yeah. Keep you from flying out of it. Your sister doesn't want to be in this box.
Does she know what?
I don't know if she's seen it or not. I don't know if she was with mom last night. She wasn't with me when I got it. Like, I want to come down. Yeah, that's what she likes. Okay. Oh, it's moving. I don't know if you can hear it. We'll get this box out of here. Get it in, let it charge and go. So let's go to the wheelchair.
Good cat.
It says right here. It says it has a safety belt included, rechargeable battery included, soft foam bumper, dual joystick, max speed 3.11 miles per hour. You can be 175 pounds, so I can't get in it
Why?
because I'm over 175 pounds, but your mom can get in it. So, and for little kids, you can actually put two little kids in it. It actually has, it's kind of built for two people to sit in, but you can sit in the middle if you want.
My electric chair that you guys see goes up to 5 miles an hour. It just goes like all the time this way.
Yeah, just roll it out. Attention, the battery for this product is located under the seat and is not connected. Please read the manual carefully for instructions on how to connect the battery before use. Warning, seatbelt must be worn so you don't die. Okay. Okay, I'm assuming I have to get a screwdriver, and here's a charging port right here, and there's your on-off.
Okay, read it. Or you will get a screwdriver.
Sure, it starts, there you go. There's all your parts, and there's what we have to read to do.
This seems pretty simple. I didn't realize like on this side of the sheet it has like everything and where they're placed. So you
Okay.
know where everything is.
So what do we do? I'm assuming I have to unscrew this.
Before you remove the 2 screws from the seat cover and lift the cover, connect the battery terminal. You must connect the same color wires together. Black connector with the black terminal, red terminal with the black connector. Make sure.
Red with black, what?
What?
Oh, it said red with black.
No. Black is black, red is red.
Okay. Like you actually have a second battery in here, if you wanted to. So let me bring you guys over so you can see what the inside looks like. Going for a ride. So this is where the seat was. This is where your feet go right there. And this is the seat. And this is the part where you connect.
These are the 2 like, I don't know what they call them.
Toggles or toggle sticks or something? basically how you can control it, right?
Joysticks. They call it joysticks. And it says when you're connecting them, to connect the red wires with the red wire and the black wire with the black wire. It's pretty simple.
Okay, so I'm gonna take you right on in there. So, looks like we have, well, the red's connected to the red already, because this red one here is, let me see. This red one right here is going into the car to power it, and this red one's going to the battery. So you have a black one here that is going into the car, and oh, the black is over here. So the black connects to the battery over here, right?
Make sure they are connected with the correct quarterly.
That was easy.
Place the seat cover with 2 screws and tighten.
Okay, then that's easy because the red's already connected and you just connect the one black one. So that's it. So we're gonna pop the seat back on. You can probably just put a cushion on this if you want to.
It says charging the battery. Plug the charger into standard 120
Bolt.
wall outlet and the wire end into the charger port. Fully charge the battery for 8 to 12 hours.
Oh, so there's gonna be a part 2 to this. So I'm gonna connect it with this right here. Right there. How do you know if it's fully charged? Is there some kind of light?
It says fully charge the battery for 8 to 12 hours. Indicator light located on the charger will be red if the vehicle is not fully charged. Once the vehicle is fully charged, the indicator light will turn green. Do not charge the battery for more than 12 hours.
Sometimes it doesn't take that long, but as long as it turns green, then we're good. So I'm gonna back her up.
And it even has a license plate.
Does it?
It says enjoy the view.
There you go. You can put whatever you want on it, stickers, whatever. So it is red back there, so I put it really low. It is red, so we're gonna have to wait. So we'll come back. We might be in different clothes for the rest of this video, or we might be dressed the same, because if it's working tonight, we're gonna try it out.
Check the battery and charger if for any signs of wear or damage before use. Do not use if damaged.
Okay, because we don't want to be electrocuted.
No.
There we go. You can see that it is red. I'm trying to hold it as steady as possible. So it is red. So we'll wait for that to go green, and then we can play around with it. So there it is. Ready to go. Allie, go ahead and pop your flag in. So you see the kind of the base on it?
Yeah.
Don't push on the skinny part. Push more towards on that base, and it should make sure to hear a click. Push straight down.
That's stronger.
Push. Push.
I don't know if I can.
Push.
What the? Well, I probably should do this.
Are you having technical
I'm
difficulty?
having technical difficulties. I don't know where the.
Let's see. Okay, hold on. Yeah, you're blocking it. Okay, so it's going to be pushed in right here. So put this hand here, stay back so everybody can see, and push that on my hand. Push. Okay, that's not working. There.
That thing is hard to get in there.
Do you want to sit in it and just see what it looks like?
Sure, I'll sit in it.
Okay,
Why are you gonna make me do this on camera?
let's go.
Why are they making me do
Because
this?
everybody's going to see how strong you are.
Oh.
Okay.
I might have to step over it.
Oh, no, I'll help you with that. Maybe you keep the thing it's face this way, you can come in. Very careful. Oh, sorry. You can't keep your feet. There you go. Okay. Just didn't want to hit that cord. Yeah, I'm sure that's where your feet are going to go. Nice.
Kind of. I think I'll have more room if I didn't have shoes on, but
Yeah, you can see how that works like that. Just tighten it up. Oh, you want to see something neat?
wait, did it turn green?
Let's see. It is green. It's blurry green. Come on, camera. It's green. You can see, even though it's blurry. All right. So what does that mean?
I can ride in it.
Okay. So it's ready to go. We're gonna unplug it and see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna actually turn it around. Okay.
I'm scared.
Flip the switch. Oh, look. Ooh, it lights up on the bottom.
It does.
It's like a, look at that.
I see it on the floor.
Fancy.
Uh-oh.
Let's just see how this works. No, I don't think you have to push anything. Okay, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna give us a little push and stop. Oh, got a little bit of power. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now
What is it?
we gotta push them both. Oh, hold on. I think there was cardboard on the wheels. I'm wondering if that's why it's not moving. Let me take you out real quick. Watch your balance.
Hi, what's that?
Yep. This is why it's just spinning around. Look at that. There's your fancy lights. So that's what it is. Just a coaster wheel and two powered wheels in the back. It's trying to eat me, I think. Alright. So it goes backwards too. If you pull back, it goes back. So it's like your chair. Just let off and it'll stop. Okay?
Yeah.
Somebody's dying. I think we need to take the Pomeranian and put her somewhere.
No. She's gonna try again.
You wanna get into the maiden voyage?
Come on, let's go. Come here. Come here.
Wanna go for a ride?
Come on, let's go for a ride.
We'll go for a ride. Wanna go?
Come here.
Well, let's here. Come on. He wants to, but hold on. What does the cat think of this? Hey, monkey.
Oh.
Just gonna stretch and say, you're bothering me. Okay, so maiden voyage here. Any last words?
I'm scared.
Okay. So just like in your wheelchair, if you want to go straight, you need to push them forward both at the same time. If you want to go left or right, then, you know,
Okay.
you hit the right and the left.
I'm scared.
You just do it a little bit. Are you seat belted in?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think you can't like lower the
Nope. I don't know if it's as much as you push forward or not. I don't know if it's sensitive or if it just goes. So, all right, you're blinking. You're ready. Should we put a helmet on you?
I don't
That kid doesn't have a helmet.
think that's necessary.
All right.
I'm scared.
You're a good driver.
It scares me. It scares me.
All right.
It scares me now.
All right. Come over here.
He's jumping every single time I move this thing.
Don't hit the Pomeranian. There, it's for two people. He's like, we're gonna die. Why is it so funny? Take a breath. Take a breath. All right. He's holding on for dear life. He's like, I'm out of this.
It didn't stop.
Okay. So let's see. So we should take it outside.
No. It's fine. It's just scary.
What could it be? What could it be? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna guide you down with your eyes closed. I don't want you getting hurt. Okay, so we're gonna have, hold on. I have to take you out. Put you here. How are you? Ooh, down your leg. You gotta move the seatbelt out of the way first. Back away that way.
I don't like how I'm doing.
You go back also. Don't kill the Pomeranian. I say we take it out on the street.
What?
Take it out on the street.
Okay. Well, this is it. It works. It goes faster than I thought. It feels like 5 miles an hour to me. It doesn't feel like 3. I don't know. I wasn't expecting that at all. It scared me. And I was like, and it does have a delay when you let go to stop it. It does have a delay when you let go. So beware of that. Because it kind of freaked me out. But other than that, it's fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below what video I should do next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!